Today we'll be installing a new solution for the Ford F-150 2013 to 2014, the F-150 XL 2009 to 2013, and the F-150 XLT 2009 to 2012. The 95-5820DW. Start by removing the rubber pad at the top of the climate radio panel. Then remove the exposed two 9/32" screws. Next, using a pry tool, unclip the two AC vent panels to the left and the right of the climate radio panel. Then unclip, unplug, and remove the climate radio panel. Remove the 4 screws securing the radio chassis. Slide the chassis out, then unplug and remove. After removing the hazard airbag switch assembly, cigarette lighter socket, and climate control from the old panel, clip the hazard airbag switch assembly into the new panel. Also clip the cigarette lighter socket into the panel. Secure the climate control to the new panel using the factory screws. After sliding the radio into the bracket housing assembly and securing using the screws supplied with the radio, cut off and remove the 2 top mounting legs from the radio housing. Then locate the factory wiring harness and antenna connector in the dash. Make all the proper connections. Metra recommends using the proper mating adapter for Metra or Access. Next, slide the completed radio assembly into the dash and secure using the factory screws. In this segment of the video, we will show you our hydro dipping process for this dash kit from start to finish. And now back to the install. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Complete all necessary connections to the radio and vehicle. Then test the radio and vehicle for proper operation and functionality. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.